Every day, there are thousands of vessels operating across the world. Each vessel has tanks for fuel, water, ballast, and cargo. These tanks need to breathe, much like ourselves. So each vessel needs several tank vent check valves, or so-called G valves. Let's investigate their importance. The people at Marine Technic have developed ship design since 1981. The company has achieved a solid reputation for its many innovations, but also for the important stability and weight calculations.
Dear colleagues, most important, Marine Technic always follows the rules and regulations when designing vessels. When we make our stability calculations, we presume that the air vent check valves are weathertight. That means that they should close and protect the ship against water coming in as a reliable guard every day for the lifetime of the vessel. As you can see in the drawing, there are about 90 valves, all above damage waterline. However, this could still be within rough sea conditions and even underwater.
As we heard, when calculating stability, the valves are assumed to be working reliably at all times, day after day. But what if they don't? What if a ship is listing heavily, with valves in the wave zone or even underwater, and the valves fail, for instance by the float being stuck, damaged, or simply gone? The valves will take in water. In the worst-case scenario, the pumps could be out of order due to electrical failure or blackout, or the machinist could have evacuated. This situation may rapidly become very serious for the ship. The valve's reliability is of the highest importance for safety at sea. Let's take a look at another possibility. What if the valve is slightly too narrow for the airflow stream? Suction blocking will occur. With a blocked valve, suction forces will create tension in the tank, which might cause a breakdown in the tank's bulkhead structure. The opposite may also occur. High pressure drop due to overfilling, forcing the tank to break down outwardly. Therefore, correct sizing, or even better, an oversized valve could prevent tank breakdown. In a case of an unannounced inspection from the port authorities, the valves will be one of the most critical points that may be checked. If they are not accepted, your ship can be detained until it is repaired. The resulting off-hire time may be several days or even weeks, depending on where you are in the world and how quickly the problem can be solved. Gjerde are located on the west coast of Norway, in the middle of an innovating maritime cluster, close to ship owners, designers, seafarers, and machinists. With 45 years of experience in the market with air vent check valves, they have developed their new optimized range of G valves named Gjerde.
We believe in continuous innovation to improve the safety for the crew, the vessels, and for the environment. We have solid in-house competence using our own test facilities for studying the safety aspects of ships. Some of the advantages of the Gjerde valve are the guiding pin, which makes it work perfectly even under tilted conditions. The unique disc float makes it work with a very low noise level. The Gjerde valve is small and not wider than the flange, but the flow area inside is bigger than it has to be according to regulations. This decreases the risk for suction blocking. The flame screen has a robust construction and is reinforced to prevent breakdown due to water overfill or debris in the water. The heating solution is made to ensure the guarding function in icing conditions down to -50 degrees. It is simple, robust, and optimized to reduce the total power consumption by 80% compared to the conventional solutions. This makes the Gjerde the most reliable valve to guard your ship and crew year after year.
At the end of the day, nothing is more important than health and the lives of the people working aboard. At sea, help can be far away. Sometimes accidents happen. Then, the G-valve Gjerde has only one job: to guard the ship from taking in water, stabilizing the situation until help comes and gets the crew and finally the ship safely to shore. That's why you should choose the G-valve Gjerde.